My name is Adela Zimbran and I'm an orthodontist on a dental interdisciplinary team located in Cluj-Napoca. Additionally, I collaborate with Adenta Romania, which is currently transitioning into J-DentalHub. In this video, I'm going to provide an overview of the dual top system based on my experience with all its types of screws and mini plates. In my opinion, the orthodontic screws and mini plates in the dual top system are among the most versatile systems on the market right now, in terms of the variety of shapes and sizes available, and more importantly, in terms of the solutions they offer for various indications we encounter in our daily practice. JL Medical has over 25 years of experience in manufacturing screws and plates for neurosurgery, OMF surgery, and orthopedic surgery, and we can see this experience reflected in their orthodontic mini screws and plates, which are made from premium materials that provide a perfect balance between strength and aesthetics. The screws are biocompatible, corrosion-resistant, and non-toxic in a biological environment. They are self-drilling and self-tapping, allowing for no incision and immediate loading in either buccal or lingual applications. The screws accommodate wires, hooks, lever arms, and other auxiliaries for excellent 1, 2, or 3-dimensional control. The JA screw is the most versatile screw in terms of sizes and can be used in multiple areas of application. Whether in the anterior or posterior regions, buccal or lingual, it offers options for 1 or 2-dimensional control and features a wider collar to prevent soft tissue irritation. The JF screw is designed specifically for anterior application areas, but it's also suitable for other uses. It is indicated for simple one-dimensional control and features smooth edges to minimize irritation. JB screw provides pin head for both elastic band and niti spring indicated for one-dimensional control. The JS screw is the power screw of the system, featuring a long and wide screw neck that protects the gingiva. It is indicated for use in the retromolar area and can be utilized in various ways for different indications. Available in larger sizes like 12, 14, 16, it is also used by dental technicians. The J1 screw comes without a collar and features a lock neck, making it suitable for areas with thick mucosa. It provides a smaller hole and a cross head, allowing for easy wire ligation for 2-dimensional control. The G2 screw comes with a neck that has a collar, making it suitable for areas with regular mucosa, whether buccal or lingual. The JD screw provides a bracket slot and wings, allowing for wiring without a bracket for 3-dimensional control. The sterilization process at JL Medical is of the highest level of expertise. J-DentalHub offers all screws in sterile options for immediate use across the European Union market. All driver shafts are available for universal contriangle use, which can be attached to JL's battery-powered hand driver, Orthonia, that comes with adjustable torque and a variable number of rotations, or to JL's manual hand driver, which is also available.